Morning children, welcome to our 6th standard maths class. Children, today we are going to learn the new chapter, new title, the time measurement. So time measurement also one of the types of measurement to measure the time. So in day-to-day life, we will use time. We will need time. It's very important in our life, isn't it? If we want to do anything at a time means we need time, isn't it? If we want to do finish any work means we need time. So correct time means we need time. So nowadays we are using so many types of clocks are we using to measure the time. For example, pendulum clock. Already you know that pendulum clock and quartz clock and then atomic clock like that. But in ancient period, the peoples are used so many types of clocks. They have been designed and use the clocks. For example, sundial clock, water clock, rope clock, sand clock, candle clock, etc. Isn't it? So, remember, one day is equal to 24 hours. And 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Children, you know that already. Please remember this one. Now, a day is contained already 24 hours. So half of the day is what? 12 hours. So see that clock is also containing only up to 1 to 12 numbers was there, isn't it? So so that only now we are going to what is the now we are going to see what are the units of the time. For example, seconds, minutes, hours, a day, and then a week, month, etc. These are the basic units of the time, isn't it? Now let us see this clock. Already know that clock means what? Now let us see this clock. See, this is the clock. You also seen at your home only, isn't it? Now in this clock, let us see this clock. So in this clock is containing 3 hands. So this hand, that is a smaller hand, shows always hour hand. So this is called as a hour hand, and this long has shows only the minute. So therefore it is shows called as a minute hand. And then let us see this one more hand is there. Is always rounding the is around this, goes around the clock, isn't it? So the third one is always shows the seconds only. So let us see this. For example, let us see this clock. In this clock, there are 3 hands are there. One hand is very short. That hand is called as a hour's hand, because it always shows the hour. Then second one is the long one, that is shows the minute. So that is called as a minute hand. And one more hand is there, is always goes around the clock only. It shows the seconds. Okay children, already know that. So 60 seconds make 1 minute. So when this second hand goes around the clock number from 12 to 12 means, so it finishes 1 round. So that means is make one. Yes, it is make on a minute. So that means this and it goes to this move to from 1 minute to the next one, isn't it? Next, when the second is a minute hand, when the minute hand this goes around the from 12 to 12 means this is a 1 round. So complete the 1 round means it shows the then only this hour and move from one hour to one number to the another number, one number to the another number. So therefore, so this is called a minute hand. This is the minute hand. Now let us see the children. Now in this each and every numbers between 4 mark is that. Totally, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means this one shows us 5 minutes. One shows 5 minutes. And 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 means 2 shows 10 minutes. 2 shows 10 minutes. So therefore, and 3 shows, what is mean 3 minutes? Yes, 15, 20 minutes, 25 minutes. That means it's a multiple of 5 table, isn't it? If you know the table means we can easily tell the minutes. Okay, so 5 minutes, 5 5s are 25. So 25 minutes and 6 minutes, 30 minutes, 7, 35, 40 minutes, 45, 50 minutes, 55 and 60 or 0 hours. Isn't it? 60 minutes means, see when you complete one round means it makes 60 minutes. 60 minutes make 1 hour. So when the minute hand complete one round means from 12 to 12 minutes. So then after that this hour hand move from the now is pointing 2, isn't it? So if this circle, if this hand, this minutes hand complete one round means complete the round one time means this hour will move from 2 to 3. So that means it make a 1 hour. If complete it one time means it make a 1 hour, isn't it? For example, so therefore, how many marks are there in between? Totally, how many marks are there in between? Okay, children, let us see this. So totally, how many marks are there? Totally 60 marks. So that means 60 marks means 60 minutes, isn't it? So now let us see this. Each and every. Now we are going to learn how to read the minutes. How to read the minutes. For example, see. If you want to read the minutes means quarter past, then quarter to, then half past. Now let us see this, how to read the time. How to read the time by using this 3 words. For example, first one quarter past, second one quarter to, and third one half past. Okay, let us see this picture. When the minute hand pointing 3, that means 15 minutes. It shows that 15 minutes. Now the hour hand, it shows is little before little after 1 o'clock means. So this time is read it as quarter past. This is quarter past. Quarter past to 1. Quarter past 10. Quarter past 1. See, once again I will tell you, listen. So when the okay, children, let us see this in the figure. See this picture. See that. Okay, children, let us see the clock. When the minute hand pointing 3, that means 15 minutes, isn't it? And our small hand, there's a hour hand pointing 1 and a little after little 1 means. That means how to read the time? That is quarter past 2. That is quarter past 1. Quarter past 1. That means the time is 1 15. 1, 15. Otherwise, let us see the next one. See the next one. When the hour hand after little 10, but after little 10 and pointing, big hand is pointing 3 minutes. So it is, okay, now listen. When the minute hand on 3 and time hand, hour hand after little 10 minutes is as read as to quarter past 10. Quarter past 10. Next. So when the quarter 2 means when the big hand pointing 9. That means what was the time? What was the minute? 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. There is a 45 minutes. So pointing 45 minutes and so when the minute hand shows the point, when the minute hand pointing the 9, that is 45 minutes, and the hour hand little before the 4. Listen, see, little before 4, not is not near to 3, is near is near to 4 only. So that means is going to be 4 o'clock. Okay, so that means we have to read like this. There's a quarter to 4. Isn't it? Quarter to 4 means correct time is what? 3:45. It's not a 4. It not shows the 4. So correct time is 3:45. 3:45 or quarter to 4. Quarter to 4. The next one. Now the minute hand on 9 and the hour hand is little before 2. Is not pointing 1, not pointing 2, but is going to be 2. Is going to be 2. So that means what is the time now? How to read it? Yes, there's a quarter to, because it's point, it shows a 45 minutes. This is quarter to. So what's the next time? 1, not 1. This is going to be 2. So therefore is a quarter to 2. Quarter to 2. That means actual time is what? 1:45. 1:45. Remember, see this, and so here the small hand shows is near, is a little before 8. Little before 8 is 7 is for 7. Is for 7, but little before to 8 means. So what was the time? Yes, quarter to 8, because the actual time is what? 7:45. 7:45. So next one, now we are going to see the half past. Half past means, okay, half past means when the minute hand pointing on 6. 6 means what was it minutes? Yes, 5, 10, 15, yes, 20, 25, 30. So it's a 30 minutes. It shows the 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So when the minute hand shows the 6, is pointing 6, and the hour hand comes between 2 and 3. Is not for 2 and not for 3. Equally, it comes between the 2 and 3 means. So the time is, how to read it? Half past 2. Half past 2. Half past means 2:30. 2:30. What is the time? 2:30. 2:30. 2:30. Is also reading like a 3:45. Isn't it? So half past means this only half past. So this is half past to. Next one. So yes. Okay, children, let us see this. What was the time now? Yes, 2:30 because it shows the 6. So 9:30. What is the time now? 9:20. 9:20 minutes. So 20 minutes to 9. And here 50 minutes to 4. And here 15 minutes to 5. Isn't it? So simply we will say like that only. Otherwise, how to read the number? So the different way. The next way is, so 9 after what the time will come? 10 hours. Isn't it? So if you want to make it 10 minutes, how many minutes are remaining? About the 60 minutes. So totally 60 minutes, no. 60 minutes make 1 hour. So that means, so totally 20 plus 40 is equal to 60 minutes. Isn't it? So therefore, say 40 minutes or more. Therefore, 40 minutes to 10. 40 minutes to 10 minutes is going to be 10. So if you want to going to be 10 minutes, how many minutes are more? 40 minutes are more. Isn't it? Otherwise, here what to say? So 50. 10 plus 50, 60 minutes. So therefore, so 10 minutes remaining. So 10 minutes to, what is the time next hour? 5 hours. Isn't it? Say 5. Otherwise, this one. So how many minutes are remaining? So 15 plus, if you have, so 60 minus 15, 60 minus 15, just minus 1. 15 minus 15 means, yeah. Okay, let us see the next one. So 5:15 means the next one is what? How to say this? So what is the next hour? 6 hour. So what is the minutes are remaining? 45 minutes to 6. That means if I make 45 minutes are remaining, if I make complete one round means it shows the 6 hours, isn't it? Okay. So otherwise, how to say the number minutes? If you show that 15 minutes means quarter to quarter past 5. Otherwise, if it shows that 15 minutes means quarter past 5. So there are 3 methods are there. Simple method is 5:15. Otherwise, 15 minutes to 5. Other one, the next hour. If what was the remaining hours for the next one? If it is going to be 6 minutes, what was the next hour? 6 hours. So 45 minutes to 6. Otherwise, it is 15 minutes is called a quarter past 5. Quarter past 5. The next one is whenever the next one is 9:45. 9:45 means, how to say the number? Yes, simply 45 minutes to 9. Otherwise, how many minutes are remaining? Yes, 15 minutes. 15 minutes to, what is the next time? 10 after, 9 after will come 10. Otherwise, 45 minutes is quarter to 10. Quarter to 10. Quarter to 10 means next one is going to become 10 o'clock. So next is quarter to 10. See the number. Now we are going to add this two number. 4 hours 32 minutes 40 seconds and 3 hours 40 minutes 30 seconds. So let us see how to add the number. So 40 plus 30, totally how many seconds are there? 70 seconds. 70 seconds. But in this second, each 60 second make 1 minute. Isn't it? Each 60 second make 1 minute. Therefore, 60 plus 10 minutes are you have to take it. So 60 minutes go to this side. right? So ready, 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, children, now we are going to learn the conversion of time. Conversion of time means if you want to need any exact time means we know. Ready, 1, 2, 3, start. Okay. So next we are going to see the conversion of time. Conversion of time means if we want to add and subtract any time means we need some conversion. For example, now we are going to add the two number 4 hour 32 minutes 40 seconds, 3 hour 40 minutes 30 seconds. So how we are going to add? See the number. First you just add all the number. 40 plus 30 according to the 70 seconds, and 32 plus 40 72 minutes, and 4 plus 3 7 hours. Okay children, here what was the second, how many seconds are there totally? 70 seconds. So already know that 60 second make 1 minute, so that 60 plus 10. Totally how many minutes are there? 60 plus 10. So this 60, when you go to this side, is make 1 minute. So remaining, what is the remaining is there? Remaining 10 minutes are there. So 10 seconds are there. So 10 seconds. So this, when you go to this side means is make 1 minute. So 1 minute. So 60 second make 1 minute. So 72 plus 1, 73 minutes. 73 minutes. But in 73 minutes, how many minutes make 1 hour? 60 minutes make 1 hour. So therefore 60 plus 13. 60 plus 13, 73. Totally 73. So 73 minutes. So when you go to this side, this become 1 hour. 60 minutes make 1 hour. So therefore 8 hours. What is the hours are remaining here? 13 minutes and 10 seconds. That is the correct answer. Which is, first of all, I will explain again. First you add all the number. Whatever you given means just add it. Now 40 plus 30, 70. 70 means it become 60. 70 means 60 second and 10 second. First you have to divide the number. 60 second make 1 minute. So when you bring to this side, it become 1 minute. So it's already you add this number. Answer is 72. So if you add 1 minute, this becomes 73. Okay. So in 73, 60 plus 7, 13. 60 plus 13. 60 minutes make 1 hour. So it's become, when already we add these two numbers, the answer is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So therefore the remaining 30 minutes are there. Therefore the answer is 8 hours 30 minutes 10 seconds. What is the answer is? What is the correct answer is what? If you add it all means the answer is 8 hours. Yeah, what is the time? 30 minutes are remaining, and here 10 seconds are remaining. That is the answer. Shall we go for the next one? Okay, let us see the second one, and the same example only. 12 hours 32 minutes and 14 seconds. Next, 6 hours 25 minutes 50 seconds. Okay, children, let's see the second one. 12 hours, 32 minutes, 14 seconds. Second one, 6 hours, 25 minutes, 50 seconds. Means now we are going to add the as usual the same addition only. So addition means already told you know. So see 14 plus 50, 64. What is the total second? 64. In 64, 60 second make 1 minute. So when you bring to 60, this side means make 1 minute. So what is the how many seconds are remaining? 4 seconds are remaining. So 4 is the answer. Next, when you add this all, what is the time? Time will come 32 plus 25 means yes 57. 57 plus 1 58. So 58 minutes is below 60. So therefore you should keep it put it here 58 minutes and 18 hours. 18 hours. Therefore the time is what is the answer? 18 hour 58 minute 4 seconds. Children, whether if the answer is above 60 minutes, we have to split the number. Split the number to 60 plus. 60 plus. So here, what was the number? The total answer 64. So if you split it into 60 minutes, 60 plus 4. So 4 seconds are remaining. You just put it here. And the 60 second make into 1 minute. So therefore you just add it all. So here the answer is 58. 58 minutes is below to 60 minutes. You just keep it here itself. No need to change as to any other. Just there is no remaining is any other. So just you add this two. You got 18. So 18 hour 58 minutes and 4 seconds. Okay. Whether if you want to subtract the number. Okay, children, let us see the sum. If we see the sum, 5 hours, 10 minutes, 12 seconds. 3 hours, 34 minutes, 35 seconds. We want to subtract the number from first number to second number means. So, see, when you compare the number, see this two, if you compare this number, 35 seconds are more only when compared to 12. And 34 seconds are more only is when compared to 10. But here hours, in hours, 3 hours are smaller than 5. So this only big number, the second only smaller number. So if you want to subtract the number means, already I told you, if you want to add the number means first you add the first two number and whatever you got now, that number if more than 60 means you just split the number into 60 plus. But here see the number. If you want to subtract the number means that number should be, the upper number should be the bigger. But see the number, what the number is given? 12 only given means it's a very smaller than 35. So we cannot subtract the number. So therefore we will going to borrow from minutes. But how many minutes are total is there? 10 minutes. If you give 1 to next one, it will become 9 minutes. It will become 9 minutes. Now, when 1 minute comes to here, we cannot add 1 minute. 1 minute make how many seconds? 60 seconds. So, because they are given only 60. So, 60 plus 12, totally how many seconds are? Therefore, 60 plus 12, totally 72 minutes are there. 72 minutes are there. So now you subtract the 72 minutes 35 minutes. So as usual, it's become 12. 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 what? 7. And becomes 6. 6 minus 3. 3. Understand? So here what is the number here? 9 minutes are there. Here in below they given 34 minutes. We cannot subtract from 9 to 34. So again min is going to as to hours. So we will going to borrow from hours. 1 hour makes 60 minutes. So if you give 1 hour to next means this become 4 hours. So 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 160 plus 9, 69. It become 69. So 69 means 9 minus 4, 5. 6 minus 3, 3. So 4 minus 3, 1. So what was the time now? 1 hour, 35 minutes, 37 seconds. Now we are going to subtract 5 hours, 45 minutes and 40 seconds from 3 hours and 20 minutes, 12 seconds. We are going to subtract the number. If you want to subtract means, see whether if you first you take seconds. 40 seconds are there and below 12 seconds are there. 40 minus 12 means, what is the answer will come? Yes. So 40 minus 12 means, so if you take this become 10, it become 3. 10 minus 2, 8. 3 minus 1, 2. So next 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. So the answer is what? 2 hours, 25 minutes, 28 seconds. Otherwise, okay, let's see the next one. So if they given the upper number is bigger means we can easily subtract the number. Otherwise, if you want to subtract the 5 hours, 20 minutes, 12 seconds minus 2 hours, 40 minutes, 32 minutes. How do we subtract the number? See, first of all, you just take a seconds. In the second, 12 is smaller than 32. So we cannot subtract the number. If we can't subtract the number means, first of all, in the subtract, we will always borrow from next number. So what is the next one? Minutes are here. So how many minutes are here? 20 minutes are here. So therefore, we are going to subtract 1 minute to. We are going to borrow 1 minute to here. 1 minute to second means 60 seconds make 1 minute. So when you bring 1 minute from here to there means, so it's become 19 minutes. Isn't it? Because we already borrow 1 minute to this side. So already 12 seconds are there. So 60 plus 12 totally 72 seconds are there. It becomes 72 seconds totally. So therefore 72 minus 2 0. 7 minus 3 40. So what was the remaining second? 40 seconds. Next, see here how many minutes are there? 19 minutes. So 19 minutes is smaller than 40. So we cannot subtract the numbers. Therefore, we are going to borrow from hour. So already know that 60 minutes make 1 hour. So we are going to borrow 1 hour from here to that side. So that means 60 minutes will come to this side. So 60 plus 19, 79. So 79 means 9 minus 0, 9. 7 minus 4, 3. This becomes 79. This becomes 79. When you add these two, this becomes 79. So it's just 79. 9 minus 0, 9. 7 minus 4, 3. So next, when we given to the side, it becomes 4 hours. 4 minus 2, 2 hours. So answer is 2 hours, 39 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, children. Number 2.2. First two sums are homework. So you have to do in the book only. Okay, the third Roman 20 minutes into second. So we are going to convert the minutes to second. So first of all, if you want to change as to minutes to second means 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds, isn't it? Therefore, 20 minutes is equal to 20 into 60 seconds. So 20 into second is 26 are 6 2s are 12, then add to 0. So that what's the answer? 1200 seconds. 1200 seconds is the first sum. The second next one 5 hours 35 minutes 40 seconds into seconds. So now we are going to change this all into seconds only. So how many seconds are remaining? 40 seconds. So this one we no need to change as to second because already second only. So how many minutes are there? 35 minutes. So now we are going to change as to minutes to second. Next 55 hours. 5 hours means how many we need to change as to second. So first of all we are going to, shall we start it now? Okay. So 5 hours plus 35 minutes plus 40 seconds. This is only given. That means just addition only. We no need to show the number. So 45. First of all, we are going to change as to 5 hours to second and then 15 minutes to second. Overall, after we are going to add this one. So therefore, so 1 hour is equal to. So 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore, 5 hours means 3600 into 5 plus 35 into 60 plus 40 seconds. So if you want to change as to hours into second means 1 hour contain 3600 seconds. So you should multiply these two. So 60 minutes means if you want to change as a second means 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So you multiply with the 60. So after that, what is the last one? 40 seconds. You don't need to change this because we need to change as the second only. So now multiply this 0. 0 5 is 0. 0 5 is 0. 6 5 is 30. Carry 3. 6 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 18. 18,000 plus then 0. 6 5 is 30. 3. 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 3 21. 2100 plus 40 second. 40 second. So therefore 5 hours is equal to 18,000 seconds. 35 minutes is equal to 2100 seconds. Then 40 seconds. So here what they ask you to change is asking to change seconds only. So now we are going to add all the seconds. All the seconds, how do we add it? Yeah. 18,000 plus 2100 plus 40. Is that it? If you add it all, what will come? 0 0 0 4 1 10 2. So the answer is 20,140 seconds. That is the answer. Children, see the next one. 3.5 hours in 2 minutes. See, half hour means how many minutes? 3 hours is 3 hours plus 3 hours into minutes means how many minutes? Yes, 30 minutes. 3 hours, 30 minutes. 3 hours, 30 minutes. 3 hours, that means 3 hours, 30 minutes into change as to what? Minute only. So already 30 minutes are there, so no need to change it. So we need to change 3 hours only. 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore 3 hours equal to 3 into 60 plus what was the minute? 30 minutes. So 360 is 180. 180 plus 30 equal to 210 minutes. Understand, children? This is easy, no? 580 minutes into hours. Children, okay? 580 minutes into hours. If you want to change as to small, higher minutes to higher minutes to lower minutes means you just multiply the number. Whatever they given you form the table now. You just multiply it and get the answer. But if the minutes to hours means small unit to big unit means you should subtract you should divide the answer. Okay. So for example, 580 minutes means 1 hour equal to how many minutes? That's 60 minutes. Therefore 580 minutes divided by 60 minutes equal to 580 divided by 60. 580 divided by 60. Let us see this. How to divide the number? So 60, 580. You have to say the 6 table and add with 0. In 6 table, how many 6 are in 58? Yes. 9 6 are 58, 54. Remainder 4. So divide 54. Then add 0. So 60 9s are 540. So when you subtract the number, we got 40. So this in 2 hours. This shows hours and the remaining shows minutes. Because if you divided minute by minute means we got hours as a quotient. So the answer is 9 hours and 40 minutes. So because they are asking to change as to hours only. So if you divide it by minutes means you will get 9 hours as a quotient. And what is the remaining in the minutes means that is the remaining minutes. So 9 hours 40 minutes is the answer. 25,200 seconds into hours. 25,200 seconds into hours. Already we know that. What was the formula to seconds to hours? Yes. 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. Isn't it? So here also we are going to change as to small to higher units. Therefore, 25,200 seconds divided by 3,600 seconds. So we are going to divide like this only. So if you divide it means 25,200 divided by 3,600. First of all, if you possible means you just cross the zeros, whatever they given. So what was the remaining we got? We will get 252 divided by 36. Okay, right. So if we don't know the 36 table, but if it possible means you just can simplify the number up and down. So in the 2 and 6 will comes in the 2 table and 3 table also it will come isn't it? Because both number ending with even number, so you can divide by 2 table. If you add this all, you can 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So 9 will comes in the 3 table. Then 36 also comes in the 3 table. So the same number will comes in the 9 table also. So now I am going to divide by 9 table. If I take 9 table means, in 25 how many 9s are there? 1 9s are 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27. So 25 is smaller than 27. So just take 2 sevens, 2 9s are 18. 25, 18 after 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 7 is the remaining. 7, 2, 72. So in 72 how many 9s are there? 8 9s are 72. So in down 4 9s are 36. So next 28 divided by 4. By 4 table 1 time 7 time. Therefore the answer is 7 hours. What is the answer? The answer is 7 hours. Therefore